My most memorable experiential learning trip was our trip to Seattle. As a cohort, we were able to tour Brooks Running, where we spent the day in the research lab to learn how they execute and ideate on new projects, as well as going to facilities like the Seahawks, the Sounders, and the Mariners. We were able to tour the facility, learn from front office staff, and understand the inner workings of during and off seasons of the sports.
The most memorable experiential trip has to be engaging Asia. Traveling the world, visiting different countries, and learning about the people and the culture from a business perspective is valuable business experience.
Our winter trip to Seattle, we got the behind the scenes tours and really started to understand the intricacy of sustainability within different types of industries and companies. So many different types of companies I had dreamed about visiting.
By far the engaging Asia trip. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity, being able to go to a part of the world that I had never even imagined that I'd be in, and just to see how business works in that side of the world.
Definitely the Seattle trip. It was memorable because of the wide range of companies that we got to see in terms of size. Massive companies like Boeing and Microsoft, newer big companies like Zillow, but then also some really small startups. It was really great to kind of get that diversity of experience.